John, tough start to the season. That must feel good.
Yeah, it was a tough start. Just obviously a new system and a new coach and trying to get used to everything. And it's been tough. It's been a tough learning curve for a lot of people. But I think the key thing for us is what we've tried to say all the time is we're getting better and better every week. And I think the confidence of the last 2 weeks, a couple of wins have given us that little bit of energy tonight. And it was great to get a win. And it's been a while since I've heard the crowd like that. So it was good to get the crowd behind us again. And that was one of the messages at half time. Gives them something to cheer about and they'll bring us home. So it was good. Really good.
And massive defensive effort from both teams, really tight, but a huge effort there to finish and close it out. And you must be delighted with the lads' efforts.
The history book tells us that it's a one-score game, so we tried to make sure discipline was a huge thing, even though we gave away a couple of stupid penalties. But look, it was really important to get a win tonight for us. It was a big game for us, and we've got another game now before a break against the Cheetahs, so we need to push on next week and try and improve again. And as I said, the key thing is to improve every week, and thankfully it was a big defensive effort. And I feel sorry for JB getting carried off there, because he's been outstanding for us since the start of the season.
And obviously the red card, in such a tight game, things like that are really important. Were you happy with the way the lads were patient in the build up to getting the score?
Yeah, I thought the red card was probably a little bit harsh. It probably was a yellow, I'd say. But look, any time you go around someone's neck, it's always a bit of a lottery. But that's what Nigel's there for, and he's the best in the business, so he makes those kind of calls. So look, yeah, it was a big defensive effort from both sides, and you could see there in the middle of the second half a lot of kicks. Both teams wanted to put the other team under pressure, and it was a big defensive effort from our lads, so we'll be delighted with that. Still a few mistakes to iron out, but a good building block to go forward again for next week.
Great stuff. So Jared Butler was our Lake Nahimra, and John's going to accept it on his behalf. So here's Ray Sheehan from Guinness.
John, pass that on to Jared. Thank you very much. Well done very much. Thank you.